Here we got vent 7. Quick tutorial on how to use it. This is the generator we will be using. Open up your back door, grab your extension cord, give yourself enough slack to go underneath the generator. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure your breaker is up in the on position. Flip the switch to the run on position. Here in our grooming area, we have our table and our tub. Then go ahead and turn the breaker on for the switches. That'll give us power to the AC unit. We can then turn the lights on and off. Flip the switch for the dryer. When it is not in use, make sure you shut it off. Here's our water pump. And we also have our electric cable, adjusted to any way or height you would like it. It's a simple up and down button. And then when you're finished grooming, just make sure you turn all these off. You can head on down. Push the button down. Pull your extension cord off. Roll it up here. You can just tuck it in here. And you're good to go.